Es que mientras más el barril yo creo que sea grande.
Más grande el palo será, más adulto. Say hi. Hi. Catnip. Basil. Pepper. I'm gonna get the basil herb. Cuando dice 1.99 square foot, ¿será la caja? ¿Es la caja? Oh, porque dice 31. You're crazy. What? You're crazy. You're on camera. Hey guys, so we are, hold on, let me fix you, kind of crooked. Okay, so we are outside. Excuse like the lighting, I don't know how the lighting is right now, but the sun is kind of like halfway, see, like right here, and I'm kind of in the shade. I don't feel like putting up any, like, the umbrella right there. I'm not trying to mess with it right now. I'm not gonna be out here that long. But I am going to do a little bit of planting right now. I did want to show you guys. So I had 2 aloe vera plants, and one of them just gave me a little baby. So let me show you. So I actually got the actual gray pot in Walmart. It was like $7. And then I just put the little baby in there. So she's outside getting some sun. Till she matures, I'm gonna leave her inside, but when it's nice outside, I'm gonna bring her outside to play. And then I wanted to show you guys, I got this. And excuse my backyard, guys. I got shoes everywhere. Like, look, like, it's just, the backyard is a mess right now, okay? So let's just ignore that. So here is a lavender plant. Okay, so this is an herb, and there's many uses for it, and I'll go ahead and put some here on the screen for you guys, as well as the aloe vera also has a lot of benefits and uses and stuff like that. I usually take one leaf, cut it up, put it in the fridge, and use it as my moisturizer some days. And then the lavender, I'm going to go ahead and do different things with it. So I decided to get that. And then here, okay, so I can't even film because my dog wants to bark. Like, every time I try to film something, I'm telling you, whether it be a vlog, whether it be a makeup tutorial, somebody wants us to make noise. It never fails. It never fails. Okay, so like I'm trying to say is I've never done this before, so you guys are going to go on the journey with me, okay? So the only things I'm gonna kind of plant today would be the cilantro. I'm gonna try the gandules and the jalapenos. The more things I get, I will plant, and then if I need more of these, I will get more, but I will bring you guys along. And I was gonna say, excuse my hair, it's kind of drying right now, and I do need to like fluff it out. And my eyebrows, they look a little bit harsh right now, but that is because I'm going to film a makeup tutorial later. And if you haven't watched any of my makeup tutorials, I have like some linked up here for you. If you haven't checked them out, check them out, because I promise you, when my look is completed, my eyebrows, they go, okay? So let's just clear that up. Alright, so here we have, I guess, like, to dig, I'm guessing. And then this is plant vitamins for seedings. Okay, so let me just read this really quick. Prepare pellets. Place pellets in watertight tray, adding warm water and excess water when pellets are... Okay. So I need to take like one of these and add warm water, and then they're gonna grow. And after they grow, I will place the seeds. Okay, so let me go get some warm water, because the water that's gonna come out of my hose is not gonna be warm. So let me go get some. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have 4 right here. I'm gonna try that. So let's see. Okay, so it says to place 2 to 3 seeds inside each little pellet. So I'm gonna start with the jalapeno. Okay, so I'm gonna place 3. So 1, 2, 3. I'm actually gonna do all of these jalapeno. Why not? So I'm gonna have 4 jalapenos. Okay. Then it says to lightly cover with the peat, which is this. So can't really cover it too much because it will rip. It's so kind of like... And then it says you're gonna place in the dome, place in warm location. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna rinse my fingers. Make sure they have a little bit of water, just a little bit. Okay. Place them back in here, so. That's why they say reading is fundamental. So I guess this is to put the name of what you're planting. So you can go ahead and put it there. Kaden, don't touch, please. Not to dig. I'm over here thinking it's a little scooper. Okay, so we're gonna water you up. Water, water, water. And since I'm here, I'm gonna take 4 more out because I'm gonna do the gandules. Kaden. Okay, so this is the cilantro. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to take some of the gandules. These are a little bit bigger, so we'll see. We just got a package from Elf. So I placed the order with Elf and it just got here. I hope nothing broke. I don't know how to open this box. My goodness. It's like a puzzle. You rip one side off and then you rip the other side off. Like, y'all, it's not that serious. Okay. And we're still opening up flaps. Alright, so let me make sure. This did it. Oh my freaking god, this is so tiny. I thought it was gonna be bigger. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Guys, can we talk about... Look at how tiny this is. I can't. I can't. I just, like, I think my middle finger, it's the size of my middle finger. Like, I can't. Okay. So, I purchased some stuff from Elf, and I'm gonna film a video. So, yeah. So, okay. Not much. There's a few little things. So, okay. We're gonna put this we're gonna put this away because I'm gonna record later, okay? So yeah.
The next day.
Okay, so as you guys, hold on, let me fix this mic. So as you guys already saw, I got some basil. So I'm actually gonna plant those now. And then I got some, well, I already had. I'm gonna try the recao today, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's take out, I'm gonna do 4 basils. Whatever, I'm gonna do 4 of those. And there goes my dog. And then I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna do 3 of the recaos just in case they don't grow or whatever. So I'm gonna do that. So see, as they're growing, as they're like stretching, they have like a little hole. Why be nosy? So they have like the little hole where you can actually place the seeds directly in it. So pretty cool. Okay, so here I have the recao. I only did 3 of them, like I said, because I want to see how they're gonna do. And then I have 4 basils, and then like I showed you guys, I have some jalapeno, cilantro, and gandules. So I'm gonna let these drain a little bit more before I place them back in there, and then I'll put the dome piece thingy on it. So yeah, that's what we got so far. I know I had somebody ask me in one of my videos, well actually the video where I'm setting this up, that how it was holding up, and I told her it was holding up pretty good, and it is. The only thing right now, it's a little dirty because of the pollen and bird shit, but this is the pollen. So once the pollen is like gone, then we'll like pressure wash everything, but until it's gone, there's no point in like cleaning anything because it's just gonna happen again. But once, like I said, once the pollen season is gone, then we'll go ahead and pressure wash everything. And that just because I'm telling you, everything is a freaking mess right now. The backyard is a mess. But till the pollen is gone, we won't clean and organize anything how we want it, because there's honestly no point. And due to the pollen, we're not really out here as much because everyone's sneezing. Like, the pollen is really heavy here, you guys. Like, it really is. Like, I don't even want to touch it, but it doesn't look that bad, but it's like a green heavy pollen, and it's really bad. So little. Like, look, it's a baby. These are the 2 aloe vera plants. This one was in a smaller container, that's why it's like super long. But now I'll go ahead and like start getting thicker, and then this is the one they gave me a baby. So there's this guy and that guy.